Janine, the thing that struck me with this testimony so far, and we're only just briefly into it, is I presume it's going to go to the idea that she was able to answer questions, she was coherent, she was logical in her responses, so that's going to help set up the psychologist down the road. But the thing that I also noted is this is a younger prosecutor, very well prepared, did a nice direct examination. What were your thoughts?
So I think he did a great direct on this particular witness. The other thing that it does, it's not just going to be this gentleman's testimony as to how she was, if she was coherent, all of that, because right now they're introducing his body cam or his dash cam. And so we're going to see what she looked like. We're going to see how she was conducting herself, what her mannerisms were. And that, I think, is going to be really important and be a lot for the jury to take in, right?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, the picture's worth 1,000 words, doctor, and that's why these body cams can be really, really powerful evidence. But what are your thoughts about this testimony and why the prosecutor's placing this witness, this police officer, undercover detective, on the stand? For what purpose?
And so before there were body cams, is when I was working my cases, we would actually call crime lab out to take photographs of her hand and then swab to preserve that evidence that we would have had there. So now that we have body cams, this is really exceptional because not only can you document what has happened here as far as the possible bloodstains on our hand, but the interaction in any questioning or maybe any spontaneous utterances that may come out of her mouth as regards to where these bloodstains may have come from. So this can be proved to be an interesting thing for just the documentation of the evidence itself.
Yeah, I'm thinking of a case that one of the few that at the end of my career as a prosecutor, it was an NGI, not guilty by reason of insanity, and it was all on the body cams. You just looked at it and you could write as much as you want into a report, but when you're actually visualizing it, you're like, wow, this person clearly is suffering from a significant mental disturbance. Okay.